Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Coinbase's earn feature. Alright, if you've been wondering how to use Coinbase's earn feature, then this video is going to help you out with that. It's going to be a really quick one. I'm just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to use Coinbase's earn feature. So let's not waste any time at all and jump straight into the video. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to log into your Coinbase account. You can either choose to log in on the website, or you can choose to do so on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now, once you're logged into your account, you just want to go to the earn tab. Once you're there, you can browse the available earn opportunities. And then once you find the one you want, you just want to choose that opportunity, and then you can complete the earn requirements. It could be to watch a video or to complete a quiz or whatnot. Just go ahead and complete the requirement, and that's going to earn you the rewards. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Coinbase's earn feature. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.